Hey everybody, I'm so excited. Welcome back. I am going to share with you today one of my newest favorite obsessions. And it doesn't work for just breakfast, just lunch, just a snack. It also makes a great dessert. It's chia pudding, and it's so easy, so simple. It's very keto friendly, depending on how many berries you put on top. But you can get it under 5 grams of net carbs. Chia is loaded with fiber, and on the keto program, sometimes I have real difficulties getting enough fiber because I've cut out the sweet potatoes and the squashes, the starchy squashes that had so much fiber in them. So it's a simple recipe, 3 ingredients, and then any kind of topping you want to put on top. So it's chia seeds, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, monk sweet plus. I add a dash of extract, and that's it. So let's get started. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now I make my chia pudding in mason jars, and that's because the glass conducts the cold better than plastic. It keeps everything in my food bag so nice and crispy fresh. I use it for celery sticks. I use it for chicken salad. Of course, it does make the food bag quite heavy, but then I don't have to risk food poisoning. Everything stays nice and fresh. So 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and we're gonna use 1/2 of a cup. Excuse me while I get my measuring cup back together here. 1/2 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'm going to use 1/2 of a teaspoon of the monk sweet plus. And then also a dash of extract. Now, my favorite is maple. The first recipe I found, everybody uses vanilla, but you could use cherry, you could use almonds. There's lots of variations of extract you can use. I guess it depends on what's your favorite yogurt flavor. So we're gonna give this a quick stir. I like to use a spork because it really separates those chia seeds. What's gonna happen in about a minute is it's gonna start to thicken. The chia seeds produce a pectin-like gelatin, and it will start to thicken. After 5 minutes, it'll start to really thicken, and then in 20 minutes total, it's solid. And after the first minute, if it hasn't started to thicken, then your chia seeds are bad. You need to go back to the store and get some fresh ones. So we're gonna set the timer for 5 minutes. We're gonna come back, we're gonna stir it again, then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator to chill. We'll be right back. Okay, the 5-minute timer beeped and we are back. So you can see how the chia seeds and the almond milk have actually separated. So we're gonna give that a nice big good stir. Oh, but they've started to thicken. You come back and do the second stir, otherwise they clump together and kind of the centers wouldn't soften. I thought of another flavor you could put in, peach. Peach would be delicious. So that is a really good stir. Now this is gonna go in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna pull it out, and I put a few frozen mixed berries on top, but you could use shredded coconut. You could use a little bit of that 2-gram net carb yogurt that's out now. You don't need to put any topping at all. You could put some whipped cream on it, and it would be just as delicious. I like the fresh berries because it adds some additional antioxidants. Now let me tell you that chia seeds have more antioxidants than blueberries, more vitamin C than oranges, more iron than spinach. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, with manganese, magnesium, potassium, They're perfect for flight crew to help us get those minerals and nutrients that we need while we're on the keto program. And I actually already have made 3 of these today. I'm doing one more because I realized I'm going out on a 6-day trip. 2 of those days have complimentary hot breakfast. So I really wanted 4 breakfasts in my bag. So we'll come back in a few minutes. Hey, thanks for sticking around while we finish up this chia pudding. So I set the timer for 15 minutes and it still wasn't quite thick enough. I went back for another 8 now. This morning's batch only needed 15 minutes and I could actually turn it upside down and it wouldn't move. The only thing I can think of is I have some other things in the refrigerator right now that just aren't as cold. They've been added to the refrigerator that it was this morning. So I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of berries. There's a strawberry and a blackberry, and then I just want to get a couple of these little ones down here. Blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and that's all I do. Now I put this in the freezer. I use the Aero Coast bag, and these stack 2, one on top of each other, side by side, and they fit perfectly in that Aero Coast bag. Makes an awesome addition to your trip, a nice, healthy, low carb, keto friendly, paleo, whole food, all of the above snack. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Try it for yourself. See if you like it. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, but definitely give me a thumbs up that you've tried it. If you have any questions about chia pudding or about flight bag packing, go ahead and put them in the comments below. I'd love to answer your questions, engage with you, and thanks for coming back to my channel. Have a great day.